Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to use yarn of 6 colors for making a beautiful and colorful hat. So I am going to use all these colors and a hook of 2.5 mm. So we are going to begin with yarn of color A and with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now foundation ring is ready. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet 2, 3, 4. We have to do 24 double crochet into the ring, including these 4. So complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When we have completed 24 double crochet, we have to join the stitches on the top of the first stitch with slip stitch. First round is complete. On the top of the first stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So we have to do 2 double crochet on the top of each stitch across the round. Complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the first stitch with slip stitch. When these 2 rounds are complete, we have to do chain 1, 2, 3. Now on the top of each stitch, we have to do 1 double crochet across the round. So complete the round by doing 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the first stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the fourth stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, 1 double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. So complete the round following the same pattern and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When these 4 rounds are complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now we are going to cut the yarn from here because we are going to add yarn of next color to the pattern. After every 4 rounds, we are going to change the color. So it means we will have 4 rounds with each color. 4 rounds with first color are complete. Now we are going to add yarn of color B. So we are going to begin with slip knot. On the top of the fourth stitch, we have to join the yarn with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet. So double crochet 1, on the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Follow the same pattern, complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be complete. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 2. Double crochet 3 on the top of the next stitch. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet. So 1, on the top of the next stitch, 2, on the top of the next stitch, 3. On the top of the next stitch, we have to do 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So complete the round following the same pattern, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, we join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to do chain 3 on the top of the 4th stitch. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 1 on the top of the next stitch. So in this round we have to do 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch across the round. Complete the round, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the 4th stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 on the top of the next stitch, 4 on the top of the next stitch. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Now we have to do 4 double crochet on the top of next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After these 4 stitches, we have to do 2 double crochet on the top of the next stitch. So double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We are going to meet again when this round would be completed. When these 4 rounds are complete, we have to cut the yarn from here because we are going to continue with yarn of next color for the next round. So pull through tightly. Now we are going to continue with yarn of color C. So we are going to begin with slip knot, join the yarn on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. From here we have to do 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch to the length we require for our project. But keep it in mind that after every 4 rounds we have to switch to next color. We have already began doing with yarn of color C, and after every 4 rounds we have to join these remaining 3 colors. So keep on increasing the pattern to the length you require, and we will meet again when this hat would be completed. When we have completed the hat and we added all the colors, we are going to make pom-pom for the top. So we are going to pick up yarn of color A, and we have to wrap the yarn around the fingers in this way. The number of these rounds depends on the thickness that you need for your pom-pom. So in this way we are wrapping this yarn around the fingers. Now when this is complete, we are going to cut the yarn from here. So take a big length. Now cut the yarn. We are going to wrap this end around this. Rounds so that it can be tied properly in this way. When we have tied all these rounds properly, we are going to cut the other end for pom-pom. in this way. Now we are going to stitch this pom-pom to the top of this hat. So with the help of needle and yarn, we are going to sew this pom-pom on the top of the hat. So complete doing this and we will meet again when this pom-pom would be added to the top of the hat. When this pom-pom is added to the top of the hat, I trimmed it to make it look more beautiful. Now this hat is complete. The colors are very vibrant, as you can see, and this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.